Facts tell, but stories sell. Have you ever heard that saying? If you want to make a memorable point in your speech, wrap it in a story. Let me show you how to do that effectively. Start with a relatable situation. Paint a picture your audience can see themselves in. For example, imagine standing in front of a crowd. Your heart's racing, your palms are sweaty. Next, introduce conflict or a challenge. This keeps the audience engaged. Say, I was terrified and I forgot everything I had prepared. Then, share a solution or lesson. Connect it to your point. But I remember one thing, pausing to breathe. That gave me control and confidence. Finally, tie it back to your message. Say, just like in life, when you're overwhelmed, a pause can be the reset you need to move forward. Stories work because they evoke emotion and make your message unforgettable. Remember, a great story makes your point come alive. Use this structure and your audience won't just hear your message, they'll feel it.